I'm going to hit scan on my XV8550 Brother. It has to have lights dimmed down like it does. The machine has stadium lighting. In order for the color of the fabric and the scan to be more effective. On this screen it shows you bled out because I accidentally had my gooseneck lamp on, aiming at it. Now you're going to see what happens. It's recognizing whatever's in my hoop. You see how it does? So now I'm going to say I want to size it, and I will decide if I want to return the dimensions this way, edit, move, over, whatever I got to do to get it to fit in this one, rotate, on this machine. Okay, as you know, every machine is going to be different. Now, on my quilt, because this was started probably 8 years ago, I didn't have accuracy on each block size. So this machine gives me opportunity to diminish this design that I digitized by using shapes from the design center, which will be a separate tutorial. So I'm going to make it as large or as small as I need it to fit in this block. So I'm going to make it fit because I created it. And I'm going to edit it, I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to take the time to see that it fits in this block properly. And if I see, man, maybe I can do that, maybe I can move it up, maybe I can expand the height of it a hair, maybe I can rotate it again by 0.1%. As you can see it rotating. If I did a 10, you would see it. I'm going to go back and do the 10. But right now I'm going to do a 1. And I'm going to raise it. Sounds like I'm playing poker, but I'm not. And I'm going to say that even though that's not perfect, I think I'm going to attempt to plot it there. I can move it at any time. And that's close enough. Again, every block on this particular quilt. Well, that didn't work. Okay, start over. I'm going to hit scan. Oh, there it is. Now I'm going to hit embroidery. That did work. Well, you might think I'm crazy, but I thought I just saw. Yeah, that doesn't look like the right scan, but it is in the right place. So now I can put my gooseneck lamp on, watch everything. Personally, I like to have I like not to have to cut the stitches from the rear and the top. So I'm going to say go, and I'm going to run to this part and hold the thread up, because when I hold the thread up, the bobbin thread will come up at the beginning of this motif, and this will do the stitching. If I take a look over here with you, if everything's working with my video, we'll see that it's telling me where it's going to stitch. I designed this motif from individual pieces on my design center on this 8550, and I implemented them into a block which I knew the dimensions of. I overlapped them on purpose and made them all one color so they would be a continuous stitch. It would start here, and you can watch. At all time you have to make sure there's not encumbrances and weight on the hoop. Within a separate picture, I'll show you that the machine bed is only a certain amount of inches wide, and the hoop is wider, and the arm is even wider than. So this is the arm. So you have to support the quilt. I'm going to cut the stitch. And click Finish Embroidery and return.